So I've got to show you this place I found to camp last night. I'm cycling merrily along. It's starting to get dark, about 6:30, 7:15, and I'm looking for somewhere just to camp, stealth camp, free camp. And as I'm passing a gate, someone stood at the gate, shouts, "Hey, are you looking for somewhere to stay?" So I stop. I say, I could, if I could find a campsite, not thinking there are any campsites around. "Oh, you can camp here." They say, "How much?" €6. €6 to camp. Okay, well, I can do €6. So this is where I stayed. Now, they provide the tent. It's the tent, look. Bit of a mess, but I've got everything in there. Okay. €6. Now, this is one of the weird things that only happens when you're doing something like cycle touring. This is the campsite. It's obviously an old farming area. Or an old farm. I first came down, I thought I'd found an hippie commune. Let me show you around a little bit. This is the bathroom and shower. And there's some beds in there, some dorms. I won't go in there because I think there's people in. I'm not sure if in this bit they're growing a bit of something. Probably something they shouldn't be by the looks of it, right there. But camping hostel, eco hostel. I later found out that's what this place is called, the Eco Hostel, Tenerife. This is the aromatic garden. They do have a bar. Looks like somewhere for the kids to play up there, look. Managed to get a beer here last night. €1.50. And although there's nobody around, it's just after 8. And I believe they do a bit of a breakfast. So I may partake in that before I leave. There's the goat. Kitchen area. Looks like something or somebody's raided the fridge last night. Somebody's left the pots. Coastal Tenerife. What do you think?
Just out for a little ride this morning, nothing special, just get my legs spinning a little bit. Up there, in the thick of all that nasty grey looking cloud, is Tede. So, and that's the route I took down through Villaflor. So what it'd be like up there today, not entirely sure. That's just something to think about again if you come in this way. I've just been on the road to the airport just to make sure it's all open and usable. I don't want any last minute itches. It's all good, pretty straightforward and easy. Comes under the motorway there and then follows the side of the motorway up around and into the airport. About 6 miles from the campsite. So that's all good. Got back down into Los Obligados. Get myself a coffee.
Okay, good morning. So, show you a quick run through the campsite here at Montana Roja. There's the prices. This is the office and the entrance to the camp. There's a nice sunrise and there's Montana Roja, which I did go to the top of the other day. It's very nice. We're 6 miles from the airport, which is just over there, and the entrance to this site is off this main road. Little kiddies play area there, as you can see. It does say cafeteria and mini market. There's no mini market, so you won't get supplies here. However, the brown building over there is a decent supermarket, restaurants, shops, whatever you need. This is the bar cafe area. It's reasonably priced and it's reasonable food. Nothing special, but it's alright. Looking out there, you can see they've got a lot of camping pods, glamping pods. I'm going to call them there, and then this area here is the camping area. There's 2 shower blocks. I'll show you those. They're decent shower blocks, nice showers, clean, everything else. There's a barbecue area there. We'll do a barbecue. There's facilities for doing your washing. There are dryers. You pay for the dryer, but and obviously facilities for washing up your pots and things. So everything you'd need on a decent modern campsite. This is the camping area. A few people in tonight. There were more the night before. That's me. Just picked up the chair, a few chairs lying around, so I've got a chair. You can see everything fits in there, the bike's in there.
in the porch area, as is my bag, so it all tucks away quite nicely. Yeah, the ground's pretty hard. I mean, I got my pegs in, so decent pegs for the hard ground. You can see some people have just used rocks. That area there is for the camper vans. Looks like there's only one camper van in. He's a cyclist as well. There's his bike. More camper vans hidden around the bike. Some bigger, smarter camping pods. There's the view of Tenerife. Looks nice this morning with the sun on it. There's the other shower block. Little area there, look, for drying your own clothes and things. You can just peg them out. Did make use of that yesterday, cleaned a few things up, ready for the airport today. The gate there leads out to the beach. It's a very nice beach if you want the beach, and if you don't want the beach, you've got the sunbathing area here, which again, quite nice. And your little pool, which is very refreshing, but very, very cold. Nobody stays in there very long. And there's your beach. Get nice sunsets here. So camping Montana Roja. Yeah, it's nice, it's clean. 15 euros a night, one man and a tent, so it's not cheap, but we've got all the facilities. Get off, get packing, ready for the airport. Montana Roja, top of the mountain by the campsite, which is down there, just before sunset. Fantastic view. Teddy's making an appearance and poking out the clouds for the first time today. Glad I weren't up there today. A little ride out this morning at Montana Roja. Got here for some breakfast. Just a mile and a half away from the campsite. There's the red mountain, obviously on the other side of it now. Nice little seaside place. Bit of history to it as well. The first ship to circumnavigate the globe. Proof that the world was circular stopped in on here on its way from Spain. That's the spot.